In the world of information technology, there's a hidden engine room that keeps everything running smoothly. This engine room is powered by skilled professionals who ensure websites load quickly, applications run without a hitch, and data is stored securely. These are the unsung heroes of the tech world: Linux admins, Windows admins, and DevOps engineers. Each role plays a crucial part in keeping the digital wheels turning. Linux admins manage systems running on the open-source Linux operating system, known for its stability and flexibility. Windows admins, on the other hand, handle servers powered by Microsoft's Windows Server operating system, prevalent in many corporate environments. And then we have DevOps engineers, the orchestrators of the modern IT world. They bridge the gap between software development and IT operations, streamlining the process of building, testing, and deploying software. This essay will delve into the intricacies of these three vital IT roles, exploring their differences, the industry's shift towards DevOps, and the salary trends that reflect these changes.
Linux, the open-source operating system, powers everything from web servers and supercomputers to smartphones and smart devices. At the heart of these systems are Linux admins, the guardians of this powerful and versatile platform. Linux admins are responsible for the installation, configuration, and maintenance of Linux servers and systems. They are the troubleshooters, the performance optimizers, and the security experts who ensure smooth sailing in the Linux world. Their tasks include setting up user accounts, managing file systems, installing and configuring software, and monitoring system performance. They're also adept at scripting, using languages like Bash and Python to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Linux admins are known for their deep technical expertise and their ability to work with a wide range of open-source tools and technologies. Their problem-solving skills are constantly put to the test as they navigate the ever-evolving landscape of open-source software.
On the other side of the operating system spectrum, we have Windows admins, the stewards of Microsoft's Windows Server environments. These IT professionals are responsible for managing and maintaining servers that power businesses of all sizes. Windows admins handle a wide range of tasks, including installing and configuring Windows Server operating systems, managing user accounts and permissions, and ensuring the security of the server environment. They also troubleshoot server issues, implement disaster recovery plans, and stay up to date on the latest Windows Server updates and security patches. Their expertise lies in navigating the intricacies of Microsoft's proprietary software ecosystem. They are well-versed in Active Directory, group policy, and other core Windows Server technologies. Windows admins play a vital role in maintaining the stability and security of business-critical applications and data hosted on Windows Server platforms.
In the fast-paced world of software development, speed and agility are paramount. That's where DevOps engineers come in, breaking down the traditional silos between development and operations teams to streamline the software delivery pipeline. DevOps engineers are the facilitators of collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement in the software development lifecycle. They work closely with developers to ensure that code is production-ready, and with operations teams to ensure smooth deployments and reliable system performance. Their toolkit includes a blend of technical and cultural skills. They are proficient in automation tools like Jenkins and Ansible, scripting languages like Python and Ruby, and cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. DevOps engineers are the driving force behind faster software releases, reduced deployment errors, and improved collaboration between development and operations teams.
Section 5. The Rise of Open Source: Why Linux Servers Took Center Stage. The dawn of the 21st century saw a seismic shift in the IT landscape, with open-source software gaining traction and challenging the dominance of proprietary solutions. Linux, the poster child of open source, emerged as a powerful and cost-effective alternative to Windows Server, particularly in the realm of web servers. The rise of the internet and the dot-com boom fueled the demand for affordable and scalable web servers. Linux, with its reputation for stability, security, and a vibrant open-source community, perfectly fit the bill. Businesses were drawn to Linux's cost-effectiveness, as it eliminated the licensing fees associated with proprietary operating systems. Moreover, the open-source nature of Linux allowed for greater flexibility and customization, empowering businesses to tailor their server environments to their specific needs. The shift towards Linux servers was further accelerated by the growth of open-source web server software like Apache and MySQL, which became the backbone of countless websites and web applications. Section 6. The DevOps Revolution, Automating the Path to Efficiency. As software development cycles shortened and the demand for faster software releases intensified, the limitations of traditional development and operation silos became increasingly apparent. The DevOps movement emerged as a response to this challenge, advocating for collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement throughout the software delivery process. DevOps emphasizes breaking down the barriers between development and operations teams, fostering a culture of shared responsibility for the entire software lifecycle. Automation lies at the heart of DevOps, with tools and practices designed to streamline every stage, from code integration and testing to deployment and monitoring. The adoption of cloud computing platforms, with their emphasis on automation and infrastructure as code, further propelled the DevOps movement. Cloud platforms provided the agility and scalability that DevOps practices require, enabling teams to deploy and manage applications with greater speed and efficiency.
Section 7. Salary Showdown. Who commands the highest paycheck? The demand for specific IT skills is often reflected in the salaries commanded by professionals in those fields. In the battle of Linux admins, Windows admins, and DevOps engineers, who emerges as the top earner? DevOps engineers, with their ability to bridge the gap between development and operations and streamline the software delivery process, are currently in high demand across industries. This high demand translates into attractive salary packages, often exceeding those of Linux and Windows admins. Linux admins, with their expertise in managing and maintaining the backbone of the internet, also command competitive salaries. The widespread adoption of Linux servers and the growing reliance on open-source technologies have kept the demand for skilled Linux professionals consistently high. Windows admins, while still essential for managing Windows Server environments, have seen their earning potential plateau in recent years. The shift towards open-source solutions and the rise of cloud computing have somewhat reduced the demand for traditional Windows Server administration skills.
Section 8. High Demand, High Rewards. Why DevOps and Linux skills are hot commodities. The IT industry is evolving rapidly, with new technologies and methodologies emerging constantly. DevOps and Linux expertise are currently at the top of the list. The demand for DevOps engineers stems from the increasing adoption of DevOps practices across industries. Linux skills are highly valued due to the ubiquity of Linux servers in modern IT infrastructure.
Section 9. Windows admins. Facing the challenges of a changing landscape. The role of the traditional Windows admin is undergoing a transformation. The rise of cloud computing and DevOps practices have created both challenges and opportunities. Cloud platforms like AWS and Azure have decreased the demand for on-premise Windows Server administration. Businesses are opting for the flexibility and cost-effectiveness of cloud-based solutions. The rise of open-source software and Linux servers has created competitive pressure. Many businesses are diversifying their IT infrastructure, leading to a demand for hybrid skill sets.
Section 10. The Future of IT, a Convergence of Skills and Collaboration. The lines between traditional IT roles are becoming increasingly blurred. The future of IT lies in the convergence of skills across different domains. Hybrid cloud environments demand professionals who can navigate both worlds. This requires server administration, cloud expertise, and DevOps practices. Section 11. Embracing the Change. Upskilling for a competitive edge. In the ever-evolving landscape of IT, continuous learning is no longer optional, but essential for professionals to stay relevant and competitive. The skills that are in high demand today may become obsolete tomorrow, making it crucial for IT professionals to embrace a mindset of lifelong learning and adaptability. For Windows admins, this means expanding their skill sets to include cloud computing platforms like AWS and Azure, DevOps practices, and potentially even Linux administration. Familiarizing themselves with automation tools and scripting languages will also be beneficial in the long run. Linux admins can further enhance their marketability by delving into DevOps practices, cloud platform expertise, and containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes. Aspiring DevOps engineers should focus on building a strong foundation in automation tools, scripting languages, cloud platforms, and continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD pipelines. Navigating the evolving IT landscape. The roles of Linux admins, Windows admins, and DevOps engineers have evolved significantly. The rise of open source, the adoption of cloud computing, and the DevOps revolution have reshaped the IT landscape. Adaptability and continuous learning are key. Embrace change and upskill to stay ahead.